What's up?
What's up, y'all? It's Tamika and Cindy. We should save you cents. And welcome back, Cent Savers.
Welcome back, guys.
Y'all, it's a different day for us. It's Friday.
It is Friday, so we hope
7/23.
that you are having, what is it, a fabulous Friday?
That's it.
A free day Friday.
That's it.
Freebie Friday.
Whatever. Okay?
Whatever you want your F Friday to be. Not like the F,
Yo.
you know what I'm saying? Like...
Anyway, we glad y'all are here. Thank y'all so much for tuning in.
We do have a midweek moneymaker.
Yes, I got $1 for 8 offers.
I got a 5 for 15.
So I'm gonna get my 8 and gonna squeeze up this 15 she trying.
Y'all, I'm over here just buying everything. I don't like these because I don't typically buy a lot of stuff, but look at
Cindy, we do this every time.
Sorry. Anyway,
so y'all, we are here. We are here to get you these deals.
Yes, we got some freebies.
We got some freebies, y'all. Some good deals. So we already in the store, so let's roll on down these aisles and get these deals.
Yes,
all right, y'all.
let's
Here we
do
go.
this. All right, y'all, we're back.
All right, guys. So we got a deal on these Old Spice travel sizes. Okay, this is a bundle deal on Shopkick. You're gonna buy one of the small
travel size deodorant.
Yep, it's 97 cents, and you're gonna buy Old Spice body wash for $147.
Travel size as well.
There you go. It's gonna be $244. We have $4.32. Shopkick scans and kicks. You have to scan big products, guys, to get the scan.
You gotta scan big, buy small, y'all.
That'll make it free plus a $2.58 money maker.
Yeah, so really great deal. Go ahead and pick them up. All right, y'all. Y'all, sorry, y'all. We just rolling with the punches today. So, guys, we talked about this deal a couple weeks ago. This is the Safeguard liquid hand soap refill. But at the time, our store did not have them. But Tamika just found them in the clearance. Look.
Look at Jesus.
So, $1.79 each, guys. You're going to pick up 2 of them, right? And let me get you the barcode so you can see if your store has these on clearance. All right. So, pick up 2. It's going to be $3.58. When you buy 2, it's a BOGO offer on Ibotta for $3.67 back. But these are going to just be free because they're less than $3.67, guys. They'll be free.
And a 9-cent money maker.
Boom, just like that. So pick them on up. It's a fantastic deal.
Okay, guys, we got some more clearance for you. So we have the Johnson's Baby Lotion. This is the 16.9 ounce on clearance for $2.12. Okay.
Yep.
Look at that barcode. Okay. We have dollar coupons in the coupons.com app or in Save 7-Eleven. Makes that one $1.12.
Yep.
Then we got the head to toe wash. This is $1.92. This is the 16.9 ounce. Go ahead and look at that barcode, okay? That makes that one 92 cents, and that's the same thing as Save 7-18. Y'all, these fantastic. We're gonna pick these up.
Yeah, it's a great deal.
If somebody got a baby, hook them up.
Okay, I'm gonna just go on with the next deal because we just rolling and shaking today. So these are the Chic Extreme razors. Now, guys, you're looking for the ones priced at $5.97. Make sure you scan because not all the Chic razors work, y'all. These are $5.97. We have a $3 coupon in
SS 718.
There you go. And then we also have $2 back on Ibotta, making these just 97 cents. Now, me and Tamika was just talking about these are not our favorite, but it's not too bad because we got some overage situations going on here.
Also, remember, your store may be lower. Ours is priced a little bit higher than everybody else, so you might get it for a little bit lower.
Absolutely. They might be less than $1. Okay?
All right, y'all. We back with these discreets now. You're looking for the 44 count liners, guys.
Yes.
Buy 2. They're $44 each. I forgot that part.
Yeah, that's
Makes
important.
$9.68. We have a $3 Ibotta rebate. Is that times 2 or 1?
Yes, so you got to do it. It's $3 when you buy 2, guys.
Oh, 10. Okay. And then we have a 5 off of 2 P&G coupon. Makes them $1.68 or 84 cents each.
This is not horrible, folks.
It's a pretty good deal, y'all.
It's pretty decent. Okay.
So go ahead and pick them things up.
Pick it on up.
All right.
Okay, guys, so we are back. This is the U by Kotex. These are the security pads, guys. So they're priced at $5.47. All of them are, regardless of which ones you get for the most part. So you're going to pick up one, guys. You're looking for this $2 peely. I don't know where Tamika just put it. Oh, there it is. You're looking for these $2 pillies, guys. The last time they had them on our products, we just kind of took a few. That's okay, y'all, as long as you intend on using them. Okay, so use the $2 pilly. You'll pay $3.47 in store, guys. And then we have $2 back on Ibotta. And then we have, where's the Shopkick? $1.70 on Shopkick.
Scan in store, y'all.
Yes, make sure you scan in store. That makes them free, plus a 23-cent moneymaker. Go ahead and pick these bad boys up. This is a fantastic deal.
Guys, we're coming with these Huggy special delivery diapers. They are $10.48, whatever size, $10.48. $4 on the coupons app, $2 on Ibotta. Use the $5 Fetch Reward. And then you have 206 Shopkick scans and kit, guys. That's $5.15 again. Makes it free plus a $2.58 moneymaker. Yeah, y'all pick them up.
If y'all have that $5 fetch, let us know down below.
Yeah, we do not have.
We don't. We just have one $2. But I'm okay with that. 42 cents. That's just about free. So, all right, y'all. All right, guys. So the next deal is on these Ritz Crisper crackers. These are the 6-packs, guys. You're gonna pick up 2. They're $2.98 each. We have a buy one get one free Ibotta rebate, guys. Makes the final cost just $149 each, or $2.98 for 2. This is a fantastic deal, y'all. These are really good. They don't last long in the house, so I'm gonna pick these Crispers up. All right, y'all.
Y'all. Sending them found y'all a Yogo deal.
Yogurt.
Here we go. These Danable spoons, 6 counts are $2.24. Buy 2. That's $4.48, okay? Now, select it's regional. There's $1 off of 2 in SS 523. Hopefully you got it. Pay $3.48. Submit to checkout 51 for $2.50 rebates. Makes the final cost 48 cents or 24 cents each.
Yes.
Without it, I'm still getting it. We don't
It's $1.24.
Pick it up for
It's a great deal, y'all. So
pick them
oh
up,
no, they're not $1.24. They're actually, because it's a $1.50 rebate, they're less than $1. So
yeah,
it'll still be a great deal, y'all. 80-some cents.
Yeah,
something like that. All right, y'all, pick them up.
Great deal.
Okay, guys. So while we were in the store, and you'll hear it at the end of the video as well, these were about to expire. So they both said that they had like 45 minutes while we were recording in store. So we did not even think about putting them in the video. But what happens sometimes, guys, is that they'll reset for a few more hours if you've at least clipped them. So if you clip these offers when they became free this morning or overnight or whenever it happened, then you should still see them. They're not showing up if you just search for them or scan them in the app, is what I've noticed. And I'll show you guys in a minute what I'm talking about, or maybe I'll just plug it in while I'm talking. But these are the incognito, the burger patties. These are priced at $5.48 at our Walmart. We have $5 back, but if you can locate Peelies on these items, sometimes there's a $1 Peely or $2 Peely, they'll be completely free. If not, they'll just be 48 cents. Okay, so that's one deal. And guys, I'll also show you that it is attaching to the rebate. It's just not showing up when you scan it. I'll show you that as well. And then these are the incognito. These are the chicken nuggets, guys. So they're doing the same thing. These are priced at $5.27 at our store, and we get back $5 for the free after rebate. So go ahead and pick these up if you can. There's just a few hours left on them. One of them says like 6 hours. The other one says like 7 or 5. So if you can pick them up, go ahead and pick them up because they are a great deal to work towards your weekend bonus. All right, y'all. Yep, guys, these are the flips. These are the white fudge, guys. They're the 5 ounce. I don't think I put the ounce on there, Tamika.
$1.98.
But these are the 5 ounce. They're priced at $1.98. Now, guys, these were near our checkout area, kind of like where the candy and the other, like, you know, side pickup items are. We have 75 cents back on Ibotta, making them just like $1.23 or $1.22. Guys, this is a great deal, especially for flips. We don't get a lot of deals on flips. We used to back in the day, but not no more. So pick them on up because they tasty. All right.
Y'all, the next deal is on these Trident pocket packs. Now, ours only got the spearmint that we can find.
Yeah.
But anyway, you're going to pick up 2. They're $1.88, guys. There's a buy one, get one free Ibotta for $1.88 back, making them just 94 cents. Y'all, this 28 sticks.
And this is the hard case, y'all. Look.
Cute.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, pick these pocket packs right on up.
You know, this is good.
Fresh.
But not only that, you know how women's purses be dirty? And stuffy at the bottom of the purse, and then your sticks get out loose. This gonna protect your sticks right here.
Don't let the sticks get loose.
Yeah.
All right,
y'all.
y'all.
Pick it on okay, guys. So here is the Energizer LED light keychain
light.
These are $5.98 in our store. We picked them up right over there at that little boofy booth, but we over here now.
And Scoofy Scoop.
In the little alley aisle. Okay, so guys, we have $2 back on Ibotta. And then we have, where is it at, Tamika? $3.10.
Shopkick, scan and kick,
Scans and kicks. So that's $725. Makes this bad boy just 88 cents. I'm actually about to pick this up because y'all know I got 15 offers.
Christmas stocking.
I'm telling you right now.
Yeah, this is what we do this for.
Light it up.
All right now.
All right, pick it on up. Okay, guys, listen, we are back with another deal. Now, our Health It kombuchas, it says that they're $2.50, but when we scan them, they're actually $2.98. So you want to scan them in your store just to make sure that you have the correct price. But guys, we have a new rebate app. Well, it's not an app, guys. It's actually like a texting system. There's real people. They respond back to your text and everything. It's called the Aisle app. And so we're going to tell you about that in this video, but that's not the point. So there is $2 back on the Aisle app on these, and then we also have a 10-cent any on Ibotta. So depending on what your price is, they could be 88 cents, is that right? Or they could be 40 cents. We don't know. But anyways, it's a really great deal. And if you want to sign up, we'll put the link down in the description box, and we'll also link it on the printable list as well. All right, y'all. So I told you that I was going to roughly explain how the new Aisle Rewards cashback works. So this is the website. You need to visit vip.gotoaisle.com. It's going to bring you to this page here. You can do this either on your cell phone or you can do it on the computer. So basically how this works It's very simple. You can either submit your receipts by emailing them to them, which I do not have the email, guys, so you'll have to get that information. I submit my receipts through text, or you can text them. So here's the program rules. There's no expiration dates on the offers. You can buy them from any store, but once they're gone off this list that's below, they're gone. So I'm just going to kind of scroll down a little fast but slow so you guys can see some of these offers. We have the Roar Drinks, the Super Coffee, the Rind, Late July, Beyond Burgers, Hallow Top, lots of different brands that we really enjoy. And of course that kombucha offer is there. So as you can see, and there's also online offers as well. I have not completed any of those, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you purchase the item, after you've signed up, you do need to have a Venmo account. It is the only way that they currently cash out is through Venmo, and they do send you a verification to let you know that they've got your information and that the account is linked, because they sent me a penny just to verify that I received it, okay? So basically, if you have any more questions, you can click on the frequently asked page. We'll list that in the description box down below. And then to get started, you'll click here. But I've already kind of went through the process. So once you click the get started, it's going to bring you here, and it asks you for your first name only. So I put Sam, last name, I just put Heel, phone number. This is how they connect your Venmo. So you want to send them the phone number that's connected to your Venmo account. And if you don't have one, guys, you can still create one, okay? And I'll put that link in the description box below if you want to sign up. So then I put a number in there. It asks me about what store I like to go to, if I want a reminder about when products will be up or whatever, things like that when I go grocery shopping. Then it says, do I have any other questions? I asked what stores are accepted. It said basically anywhere, but we'll get the best offers at Whole Foods, Wegmans, and other stores that carry really all natural brands. And that's really, it's just that simple, guys. When you text this number, once they send you a text message or email, depending on how you sign up, then honestly, they'll just communicate right back and forth. You can just send them a text and ask a question. They'll respond back when they have a moment. So hopefully that's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any other questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. All right, y'all.
All right, y'all. We are out. Everything worked fine.
Everything went through.
We just need to say the incognito is in the picture, but it said it expired. So y'all may or may have not expired, okay?
Yeah, if they haven't, pick them up. They're free. It's the burgers, the bratwurst, or the chicken nuggets.
If not, they'll be like 20-something cents.
To 48 cents.
Okay. Also, there's a free bar called the Bradley's. See, pop a picture of the Bradley's bar.
Or the Good Seed Bar, or Seed something. We'll pop up a picture, guys. It's free. We don't carry it.
Nope, nowhere. So that's another freebie for you.
Yeah, that's the other freebie. I think that's it, y'all.
If you like this video, make sure you like, share,
and subscribe.
And we almost at that 9,000. Let's do this.
We're so close, like 200 something away. Let's just get it, y'all.
Let's go and get it. All right, y'all. Bye.
Bye. Have a great weekend.
Bye.